Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Tuesday. We are getting ready to start on Module 4, Lesson 2, and we are going to be adding and subtracting some bigger numbers than we have in the last couple of days. So, hope your brain's ready. Hope you got a great night's sleep and are ready to go. We are going to be focusing on two different methods of adding and subtracting today. We're going to be doing the number bond method and the arrow method. And although those are not the only two methods we can use, those are the two we're going to focus on today. So we're going to start out with a subtraction problem, 56 minus 20, and I'm going to show you what both of those methods look like. And that's the thing that I love the most about math is that everybody doesn't have to do it the same way. You can find the way that works for you, and it's awesome because it doesn't have to work for somebody else. So just pick that way that works best for you. We're going to start out with the number bond method, and if you remember, we take our number bonds and I'm going to split the 56 into a 50 and a 6. I'm going to take 50 minus 20. Well, I know that 5 tens minus 2 tens is 3 tens. And then I'm going to add that 6 back on. Okay, so 56 minus 20 is 36. Let's see the arrow method. If I started out with 56, remember the arrow method is just the horizontal way to do math. I'm going to subtract 10, which would give me 46. And then I'm going to subtract another 10 because 20 is 2 tens. So 46 minus 10 is 36. Both got the same answer. Just a different way to do that. Addition, what that looks like, 60 plus 27 in a number bond. I would break that 27 into a 20 and a 7. I would add that 60 plus 20, which is 80, and then add the 7 when I was finished. So that would give me an 87. If I wanted to do this the arrow way, I would start with 60. I would add a 10. You could also just go ahead and add the 20. If you know how to add a 20, great. Go ahead and make it fewer arrows. Again, make it your own. I'm going to do the smaller steps though. Give me another 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So that would give me 80. And now I need to add the 7. Now I could do plus 7 ones and take my steps and add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and keep doing that 7 times. But I know what 80 plus 7 is, and I know that that's 87. So again, same answer, different way to get there. Sometimes we have, today you're going to have some missing add-ins or missing subtrahends, which is the missing number in a subtraction sentence. And you have to figure out what is missing. So 39 plus what got you to 69. And again, you could do that several different ways. You could do the arrow method where you started out with 39 and you added plus 10 is a 49, plus another 10 is a 59, plus another 10 got me 69. So how much did I add to that 39 to get 69? Well, there's 10, 20, 30. So we added 30 to that. Now you can also do this as a subtraction problem. If you know what your whole is and you know one of the parts, you can find out what the other part is by subtracting. So I could do 69 minus 39. So I could do that the arrow method, which 69 minus 30. I'm going to go ahead and just do one big step because I know 6 tens minus 3 tens would give me 3 tens. Now I need to take away the 9. So 39 minus 9. So that's going to give me my 30, the same thing. I could also do this as a number bond. 69 minus 39. I'm going to take my 39 and break it into a 30 and a 9. I've got 69 minus 30 is 39 minus 9 gives me a 30. So several different ways to do that. On this one right here, what plus 56 equals 86? I could, since addition is something called commutative, which means it doesn't matter which order it is, I can start with my 56 and figure out what I need to add to that to get to 86. 86 is my finish line. So 56 plus 10 equals 66, plus 10 equals 76, plus 10, and there's my 86. So this one's 10, 20, 30. So that's going to be 30 plus 56. Same thing on this one. How much did I take away from 67 to get 47? Let's do that one as a backwards or as a subtraction arrow method. So 67 minus 10 is 57. 57 minus 10 gives me 47. I knew I had to subtract because my answer to that problem, my difference, is smaller than what I started with. So I took away 10, 20. So my answer would be 20. A lot of you all are probably just looking at this going, well, you're only taking away from the tens place. So that one's a pretty easy one to say. 6 minus what equals 4. So if you can think about your place value and which place is changing, this might make it a little bit easier. Now, there is a lesson 2 in your new workbook, but you are not going to use that today. You are going to click a link to take you to the Assessments page. And Assessments is going to open up. It's on your Google Classroom, and you're just going to type your answers in each one of the boxes. And then when you are finished, you are going to just click that you are finished. And I can't show you that on mine because I'm a teacher and can't turn my work in. So you should have a complete work button or submit button after you've typed in. You're going to put your answers in these little gray boxes. So if you have any questions about anything or have trouble with Assessments today, just let your teacher know and they'll give you some help. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.